Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I'll be talking about visit to Paddy Processing Factory and Gallery at Sekinchan. Sekinchan, rice bowl of Selangor. Best way to learn about rice, the staple food of most Asians, is to visit the Paddy Gallery. Located in the rice-growing district of Sekinchan, Paddy Gallery is a 2.5-mile, 5,500-step route located near Sekinchan, Selangor, Malaysia. Sekinchan means land suitable for farming. Boasts one of the highest rice yields in Malaysia. Sekinchan is located in the Barat, Laut, Selangor, Northwest Selangor Integrated Agricultural Development Area, one of the 8 granary areas of the country. Indeed, Sekinchan is frequently boasts the paddy yields in excess of 10 tons per hectare. Paddy comes from the Malay word padi, which refers to rice with its husk or hull intact. Hulling involves a process of removing the husk, resulting in brown rice, which is about 80% of the weight of the paddy. The word paddy also refers to the rice field. The best way to learn about rice, the staple food of most Asians, is to visit the Paddy Gallery located in the rice-growing district of Sekinchan. The trail is started from the gallery, which is inside the rice processing facility. The factory is located about 5 kilometers from Sekinchan town. The rice planting process. Rice, one of humanity's most important staple food. People in Southeast Asian nations such as Indonesia, Thailand and Malaysia, rice on average comprises 60% of our diet. But have you ever wondered how rice from your field got into the dining table? Let's find it out today. Seed selecting and planting. Healthy, robust seedling production is the key to successful rice cultivation. Select high-quality seeds, soak for 30 hours. Germinated seeds are ready to be planted. Sowing machine. Seed planting. Put the nursery boxes on the conveyor to go through the sowing machine. Start with a layer of fertilized soil on top of the seeds. Then with 250 grams of germinated seeds. Being sterilized and covered with soil again. Seedling Nursery. The automatic sprinkler and water spray system. Without bugs and diseases. After 2 weeks, 5 or 6 inches height. Roll up for transplanting. Land preparing and flooding. Land preparation, plowing and harrowing. Make soil soft and loose. Mixed in nutrient. In the past, land tiling with animals. Soil turning by machine. Before the operation of transplanter, flood the land to ensure the free movement of transplanter. Nursery Transplanting. Transplanting by hand. Transplanting by machine. 1.2 hectares transplanted in 2.5 hours. Put the nursery mats on the back of the machine. Transplanter moves. When the transplant is moving forward, the nursery will be automatically planted into the ground. Fertilizing and weeding. Pull out weeds and apply fertilizer. 14, 30, 45, 55 days after planting. Watery paddy, rice spiking and flowering period. Deep ponding can prevent lodging problem. Drain away water 3 weeks before harvest. Harvesting. Yellow ripe stage. Before harvester was invented. Rice combine harvester. Cut, thresh and winnow the rice. Sent to the milling factory.